Pimento cheese is a recipe you absolutely have to have in your kitchen. There's a reason they call this the pate of the South. It is addictively delicious. So let me show you how to make it. So the key ingredients to pimento cheese are cheese, mayo, pimentos, and seasonings and spices. So this is how I make mine. Here I have about 1.5 cups of shredded sharp yellow cheddar cheese. Just get that into a bowl, a large mixing bowl. And I have about 1.5 cups of a sharp white cheddar cheese shredded up. And you can really use blends of cheeses or just a single cheese. And sharp cheeses work best because there's less liquid content to them. And here I have 1/3 cup of mayo. And you can use different mayos, but down here in the South, Duke's Mayo is pretty much the best mayo to use. I absolutely love it and super happy that I was introduced to Duke's Mayo. Delicious. And I have a 4-ounce jar of pimento peppers. You can get those at the grocery store. Or other pickled peppers will work fine, but I mean, it's pimento cheese, right? And I have about a tablespoon or so of minced garlic. And this is my personal edition. Some recipes don't include garlic, but gorgeous garlic. Come on, gotta have some garlic. And I have here about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Deliciousness right there. Some good flavor. And here is a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne powder, cayenne pepper. You can add more or less if you'd like. It's more of an optional ingredient. Smoked paprika is delicious, or any paprika. And also salt and pepper to taste, just a little bit. And another sort of optional ingredient, but I say it's not optional, I gotta have it, is a hot sauce to taste. So here is, this is a homemade red serrano hot sauce that I made recently. So I'm just gonna add a few dashes of this. It's got a nice little level of spiciness to it, but not too crazy. And the most difficult part of the recipe here, mix it all up. Just mix it all together in a bowl until you get a nice consistency to it. All right, so let's talk about ratios with this. You can very easily change up the ratios of certain ingredients to this recipe. You can add more mayo if you want to make it creamier. You can add a little bit more cheese and more cheesy. Definitely more spices and seasonings really to bring it up to your flavor preference. So let's talk about variations. Lots of people have different recipes for pimento cheese, little twist secrets that they include. I've seen some recipes with cream cheese, and cream cheese actually works great in here. It's still cheese, and it makes it a little extra creamy. But I really just prefer maybe a touch of extra mayo. It makes it plenty creamy for me. And you can also super easily change up any of the seasonings and make it as spicy as you want to. So, all right, let me get this nice and mixed up. Oh, look at this, nice and creamy. Smells amazing, my friends. Looks so good, doesn't it? Man, I cannot wait to dig in. So let's talk about serving ideas for pimento cheese. Pimento cheese actually is very traditionally served with crackers as an appetizer or a snack. It's great as a party food or a meal starter. But it's great in so many other ways. Like you can top your burgers with it. I stuff jalapeno poppers with it. And I actually have that recipe on the website. It's pimento cheese jalapeno poppers. Pimento cheese sandwiches are actually super popular. Definitely you'll see that all over the place. But here in the South, I see it paired with fried green tomatoes. What a great, perfect pairing for pimento cheese. I highly encourage you trying that one out. Pimento cheese, my friends, this stuff is absolutely delicious. I love it so much. Thanks for coming to my kitchen today. Super happy cooking with you guys. Hope to see you again very soon. If you love Southern food, I really hope you'll check out my recipe that I'll queue up. It is red beans and rice. It's absolutely delicious, very Southern, super tasty. So, all right, time to dig in. Give me a taste of this stuff. All right, let's give it a taste. So good.